Hey everyone, how's it going? So I don't know about you guys, but I'm really excited for the new Godzilla vs. Kong movie to come out. And one of the creatures that I'm really excited to see is the new Skullcrawler. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw the new Skullcrawler from Godzilla vs. Kong. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with our new Skullcrawler, we're going to begin with the head. I'm going to start right about here, and I'm going to begin with the eye. To do this, we're going to make a little line that just goes down, and it's going to curve back like this, and then add a small circular shape right in there. I like to add a little line or two underneath here just to kind of make it look a little bit more realistic. Now, starting back here, we're going to make the head. So I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to go up and then down. Then I'm going to start a line in here that's going to go up, and then it's going to be kind of long and bumpy, and it curls around. Next, I'm going to bring this around. It's going to come up, and it's going to go back down. I'm going to add a little line that's going to curve around here. Then we'll make a little line that's going to go down like this. It's going to go straight, and then it's going to curve back. Next, I'm going to bring it right back like this. Now, starting here, we're going to make a little line that goes down. It's going to come up, it's going to go over, and then curve up to here. Now I'm going to add some sharp teeth in here for the mouth of our new Skullcrawler. And I also want to do the same thing on top too. Then I'm going to add some long kind of wavy lines for the tongue. I'll draw one here. And I'm also going to draw another one right here. It's got those crazy looking tongues. And actually there's a third one here. Then you just want to bring this line up here to the mouth, and we'll add some more teeth on this side. Then starting here, I'm going to add a few little curved lines for where the neck would be. And I'm going to make a line that goes down and up. And then right here I'm going to make a line that goes down. It's going to curve up, kind of like where the chest would be. Starting right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down to here. I'm going to make a line that curves, and then I'm going to make a line that goes out and then down here. Now for the claws, I'm going to make a line that goes up. It's going to be a little bit bumpy, and it's going to come down to a claw. Then it's going to curve back here. I'll make another one, does kind of the same thing, just going to go down. It's going to come back here. And then I'll make one more over here. I'm going to curve this in. I'm going to make this line go up. We're going to come to a big pointy spike. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to curl around here. Now I'm going to add a few lines that are just going to kind of connect the body to the leg here. And starting up here, I want to work on the back. So I'm going to add a couple little bumpy lines. And then the new Skullcrawlers have a few more spikes on them. So these are going to be a little bit taller. And you can just see I kind of start about the halfway point, and then I just curve it up, and then I'm going to slowly bring it back down. And I'm going to do this all the way back here. Now, starting over here, I want to add that extra leg. So I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come down here. We're going to make another little foot that's going to go up. It's going to be kind of bumpy, and it'll come into a claw. And it'll just curve back. We're going to add another one right here. And I'll make one that goes out and it's going to come up here. I'll also add another little claw here. And then I'm going to make a little line that goes up here. Now, starting here, I'm just going to smooth this out, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to come right to here. I'm going to jump over it, and I'm going to bring it up to here. Then we're going to kind of slowly float over here, and I'm going to curl this back. And I'm going to make it come to a rounded point, and then it's going to curve back here. And we're going to bring it right to about there. And then right here, we're going to add a couple little wrinkle lines just to kind of show where that tail is. Now, we got our basic drawing of our new Skullcrawler. Now we want to add some of the different details on here. Now, we want to give it kind of like that skull-shaped face. So I'm going to start right here. I'm going to add a little line that's going to go down. I'm going to go right around the eye here. And then I'm going to bring it right to about there. Now I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come right to about here. Starting here, we're going to make a little line that's going to wind around. It's going to curve back. Then we're going to make some little lines here and some lines right around there. I'm going to add a couple little lines here. A little line right around the bottom of the mouth. And even a couple lines on the tongue here. I'm going to put a little curved line here for a little indentation, and then a little line is going to curve up to here for part of the head. We'll add a couple little lines here showing that the mouth is really stretching. I'm going to add some little broken lines right along here just to make it look like there's like some skin stretching, and a few more little curved lines right around there. Starting on the claws, we'll add some curved lines where we want our claws to be, and then a couple little lines above it, and maybe even below it too, just to make it look like they're really sitting in there. I'm going to curve this line around and add some quick little lines on here. And some little details up here. Long broken line right down the back here. Kind of bring it to here as well. And I'm going to run some quick little lines going down here. I'm going to add some little lines right around here as well. And I'm going to add some quick little lines up here. And I'm going to add some little curved lines on here. Add some little lines down here. And then here you go. Here is your drawing of the new Skullcrawler from the new Godzilla vs. Kong movie coming out soon. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.